And in order to do that, we're going to set up a Google meeting so that we can share our screen with the class. To start, I'll zoom in here. We'll just go to Google Meet. Google Meet is already included in your Google Suite. It's up here at the top right in the square. You can see your other Google apps. Right down here is Google Meet. If we click on Google Meet, or if you have a touch Chromebook, you can just touch it. We'll go ahead and start a meeting. We have to give it a nickname. So if it's science class, you can go ahead and give it a nickname to identify it from any other meetings you may have started. You can see right off the bat our front-facing camera is on, and we can use this one to introduce ourselves to the class and communicate back and forth. When we're ready to join, even though you've created the meeting, you have to also join the meeting. So you'll hit join now, and you can see we have the share info for our science class, and we can share that with all of our students or anyone else we want to add to our meeting. Right now we'll just click off of it, and then this is us, our meeting. We can also click up here at the top right and see everyone that's in our meeting. If we have all our students, we can see a preview of their screen as well. And there's a chat feature. You can talk back and forth. This isn't really an tutorial on Google Meet itself, but this is how to use Google Meet to integrate it with your document camera. To integrate it with your document camera, what you're going to want to do is go down here to Present Now. And this is going to let you share your screen with the students. Whatever's on your screen, everyone in the meeting is going to be able to view. So I'm going to hit Present and go to your entire screen. You go up here and click on the image of your screen. You'll hit Share, and it's going to let you know you're now sharing your screen. You can click this notification out of the way. Now, while we're presenting our screen, it's okay for us to go ahead and minimize this, and we can go. Everyone should have the iPivo Visualizer app installed on a Chromebook now. It should be pushed to every device. You can see when it brings up iPivo Visualizer, we don't get a picture immediately. It's going to tell us that our camera does not support this resolution, and so all we have to do to fix this is make sure we have the right camera selected. And you can see we have normally have two options. You have your front-facing camera, but it's not an option now because we're currently using it in our Meet session. So we only have the hue as an option. And we'll go down here and just make sure that you select the lowest resolution available. That's going to make things a lot smoother in your actual meeting for streaming quality and such. Now the first thing you might notice is the image is upside down and the text is reversed. That you have a lot of control and you don't have things oriented right. All you have to do, you can hit rotate, and you can rotate it as many times as you need to, or which direction it needs. But once you get it oriented fine, if you need to mirror it, if the text is backwards, you have that option here as well. Right now it looks good, and you can see we have our document, and we can write here and begin to share directly with the students in the meeting, and they're watching exactly what our screen shows, which is the footage from our document camera. Once we're done sharing our document on the camera, we can go ahead and close Visualizer. Once you go back to Chrome, we're still presenting. They can still see our whole screen. So to turn that off, we'll go ahead and stop presenting. And now it's just us with our front-facing camera talking to the students. And then, of course, whenever we're ready to end this call, we'll just hang up and we've left the meeting.